The AI cutting machine is highly suitable for the production of Beechwood spatulas and spoons. In addition to intelligent recognition, the equipment also incorporates many flexible functions. The wood balls come with bark and varying wheels, and the customer requires recognition of an area 5 mm outside the bark to achieve higher utilization rates when cutting the balls into finished products. The system supports manual adjustment of recognition results, making it simple and adaptable. To fully utilize the wood balls in the nesting, the system allows customization of the lens at the end that is excluded from the nesting. For example, a 25 cm section at the end can be left unarranged, allowing for manual cutting of that portion. After the nesting is completed, the machine will automatically position itself and start cutting.